Sitting here was a wonder at this old piano, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause a burner of focus still log in my head, and subload give me nightmares till that you're still in my bed. As I dream about movies they won't make of me when I'm dying. With an ironclad fist, I wake up and friends this morning, while some marching band keeps its own beat in my head while we're talking about all things that I long to believe, but I love the truth, what you meant to me, and the truth is, baby, you all that I need. I wanna lay you down a bed of roses for tonight. I sleep on the bed of roses. Oh, I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on the bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, each step that I takes on my way home, at kings, runs and dimes, I give each night to see through this paper. Still I run out of time, or it's hard to get through, till the birds on the wire flash me back to you. I'll just close my eyes and whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay down the bed of roses for tonight. I sleep on the bed of roses. Oh, I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on the bed of roses. Well, this hotel bar Hanover whiskey gone dry, the barkeeper's wig's crooked and she giving me the eye. Well, I might have said yeah, but I like so hard, I think I die. Yeah, yeah. Now as you close your eyes, now I'll be thinking about you. Tonight I won't be alone, but you know that don't mean I'm not lonely. What my mistress is calls me to stand in her spotlight again. Only you done the better person. For tonight I sleep on the bed